Monday, everyone. Chloe just did my hair. She had a canceling, and usually like she can never get me in because she's always booked. But look at my hair. Fresh. It's luscious. Little bang check here. The bangs are back. I did have bangs, but they just like were grown out and not it. And I just got some like blonde in my hair, some blonde highlights, and just a trim. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I'm about to go into the gym, go home, make some dinner. I think I'm gonna make chicken, broccoli, and some rice tonight. This is the world's best angle. And there's a car right next to me. It's gonna watch me do this. I already had like 2 cups of coffee today, and I definitely need more water. Instead, we're gonna take a scoop of pre-workout. Cheers. Sour. I don't know if it's gross, but like when I dry scoop, I like swish it in my mouth. Does everyone do that? I don't know. I'm gonna work out now. Today, I went to the gym, had a little workout, but I wanted to try this little sweet recipe. Obviously, it's just sweet. It wouldn't be anything else because I'm addicted to sweets. I saw it on Instagram. This guy, the flexible dieting lifestyle. So I'm gonna make them because I've been wanting to make them for a couple weeks now, and I had the recipe saved. And I'm going in with a little bit of stevia. You add cold water and mix it until it's like icing consistency. 5 plain rice cakes. Okay, I've honestly been having a terrible day today. Oh, hi everyone. We're on a boat right now. They're all giggly over here. So the fireworks are tonight. Having some drinks. Kelly's here. And Parker's driving the boat. Hey everyone. So we didn't vlog the process, but today's fun because we all now have tooth gems.
All the Costelic girls.
Mom got one. Let's see. Right here. Chloe already had one and she got a second. So now catch us walking down the streets with our bling. My family in the Halara trend. Mom's wearing this skirt and so is Chloe. The same skirt I have in black. And my shorts are from Halara and my top is from Halara. Where are we right now?
We are at Long Lake.
We're not at Long Lake.
We're not at Long Lake. A lake next to Long Lake, so it's Short Lake. And we're at a little tiki bar, and we got a bucket of margaritas, which is not even a bucket, it's like a cup bucket.
So we're splitting a bucket of margs. Mom got a Corona.
Corona on ice. I gotta put it on ice. It's gotta be really cold.
We're just chilling here.
I got a Miami Vice.
Yep.
It's way better than
ours.
A bucket that's not a bucket.
Do the Disney Channel thing.
Hi, I'm Izzy and I'm Chloe and you're watching Disney Channel.
We're gonna go blind.
There's not lots. Oh, it's good.
Did you hear him?
Bye for them guys. Go.
Happy 4th, everyone! We're cooking some breakfast. Eggs, sausage, bread, and some fruits. Bye! guys, we're at Plank Road and we're about to try our drinks. We have a flight of 4 each. Cheers. 6.5. This is the guava hibiscus rum punch. Cheers. Ooh, that's good.
Very rummy.
I'll give it a 7.5.
I'll give it a 6.
Okay. Cheers. That's the best one so far.
Yeah, that's like a 9.
Anyone have this lavender French 75?
Yeah, I do have that. Anyone have B1?
Ooh, that one's good.
That's my favorite.
now. We're at Tiki. Hi. I'm drinking a vodka soda. You can't forget the Mio, but this is not any Mio. It's great value raspberry lemonade.
Wait,
You know,
I have a good
we're
idea.
cheapos here. What?
Okay, we're gonna take every place you go.
Yeah,
But
are
like, cheers.
Will we forget about this?
We'll see.
I won't.